This is Warren Tower, good morning. Super Cub November 129 Romeo Bravo.
Super Cub 9 Romeo Bravo, New Smyrna.
Yes, sir, just departed the creek. Gonna head south down the beach. Gonna clip the kind of the southwest side of your control area to the beach. Be south of you.
9 Romeo Bravo, Roger. Gonna go east-northeast to the shoreline and then south, or are you going over the interstate south?
I'm going over the interstate now, but I'm gonna clip, just barely clip you on the southwest side of the area.
Okay, I don't understand how you're going to go from there southwest. If you want to go to the shoreline, just fly a heading of about 070 to the shoreline.
All right, that's what I'm going to do. I am going down the shoreline.
Okay, so I want you to go north of the field. I've got right traffic for runway 25. Traffic's heading to your right, so just suggest a heading of about 070.
Yes, sir, we're on that now.
Thank you. Epicred 783, I'm not off your touch and go, that's fine.
Yeah, while to go, 783.
Okay. Epicred 508, runway 25, clear for the option.
Runway 25, leave for the option, Epicred 508.
Epicred 783, stay on the upwind.
We'll stay on the upwind, 783.
November 9 Romeo Bravo, get kind of close to the pattern, sir. I need you to make a left turn from where you're at. You're heading right for the pattern, so I want you to turn left about 20 degrees.
No, negative. I'm going to turn right. I don't want to go near... Okay, I'm turning right and then turn east.
Sir, I want you to turn left now. Turn left. Follow air traffic control. I've got you on radar. You're heading right into traffic.
I see the traffic, Roger. We're going to go left for you.
Now you're going to fly right into them, sir. I don't understand why you can't follow instructions, sir. You're right over the airport. I want you to turn left. Turn northbound.
Gee, no problem with that. I'm turning left now, and I see the traffic.
Yeah, you're right in my pattern, sir. I want you to turn left, heading 360 right now.
Okay.
Eastern Tower, good 386, turning final for runway 25.
Epicred 386, runway 25, clear for the option.
The option 25, Epicred 386.
Eastern Tower, Epicred 508, we are extending downwind to give them a station.
Yeah, follow that one to your right, Epic 508. You can turn your base, runway 25, clear for the option.
Turn by runway 25, leave for the option, Epicred 508.
Tower, BRF 555 on the RNAV 25, circling for 29er.
Epicred 555, just with the tower, continue run. Where do you want to go? You want to go to circle to 29, is that correct?
That's affirmative.
Epicred 555, continue on the approach, report circling runway 29.
Continuing on the approach, report circling for 29, Everett 555. Tower 783, turn across 1 by 95.
Epicred 783, thank you.
Tower, wind check.
Number 9 Romeo Bravo, what's your current heading?
360.
You're flying directly northbound, is that correct?
Oh, kind of north by east a little bit, headed to the shoreline.
So you're not following instructions, sir. 9 Romeo Bravo, possible pilot deviation, and advise you contact the tower when you land. I can give you the phone number.
Okay. Go ahead.
42350.
Very good. Just so we're clear, sir, when I called you to enter the control area, I did not want to go north of the airport. I wanted to go south to the shoreline. Thank you.
Well, sir, your instructions were to go north, and you did not follow the instructions that you were given. Any instructions that you were given, and it's on radar.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You just basically did what you wanted to do.
No, not at all. Been living here 25 years and coming through here, so no problem. I will call you.
Yes, sir. Living here 25 years has nothing to do with following air traffic control instructions. It's on the radar, sir.
I got that. We're clear. Thank you.
No 9 Romeo Bravo, freak change approved.
Roger. Bye-bye.